In Vercel, you can't rename a domain that's already added. What you're editing are the domain settings, like redirects, git, branch, assignments, and environment settings. Here's how to do it. Click on the project that contains the domain you want to edit. Your project overview page loads. Click Settings in the left sidebar. The settings page opens with multiple sections. Now, click Domains in the settings menu. You'll see a list of all domains assigned to this project. Find the domain card you want to edit in the list. Each domain appears as its own card showing the domain name and current status. On the right side of that domain card, click Edit. The Edit modal opens with your configuration options. The modal shows several settings you can adjust. The Redirect to drop-down lets you choose another domain to redirect to useful if you want traffic from one domain to automatically go to another. The Git branch field lets you assign this domain to a specific branch, select Preview from the environment section, then enter your branch name in the Git branch field. You can also change the environment assignment to connect the domain to production, preview, or a custom environment. Once you're done making changes, click Save at the bottom of the modal. The modal closes and you're back at the domains list. Your domain card now reflects the updated settings. After saving, verify your changes took effect by checking the domain card status. If you set up a redirect, open a browser and visit the source domain to confirm it redirects properly. If you assigned the domain to a Git branch, deploy to that branch so the domain resolves correctly. Changes typically take effect almost instantly, though there may be a brief propagation period.